In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced features in ElevenLabs in 2026. ElevenLabs offers more than basic text-to-speech. Depending on your account and current plan, you may have access to advanced tools for voice generation, audio editing, dubbing, voice transformation, studio projects, and AI-powered voice experiences. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. After logging in, explore your workspace and review the tools available to you. Start with the voice generation features. You can enter a script, choose an AI voice, and generate realistic narration for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and other projects. Next, explore the voice library. You can search through available voices and find one that matches the style of your project. Always review the available usage and licensing information before using a voice commercially. You can also explore ElevenLabs Studio for larger projects. Studio can help you organize scripts and audio content in a more structured workflow. If available in your account, explore tools for dubbing and multilingual content. These features can help you adapt audio or video content for audiences speaking different languages. Another advanced area is voice transformation or voice changing. Depending on the current features available to you, you may be able to transform recorded speech while maintaining important characteristics of the original performance. You can also explore AI voice agents for interactive voice experiences. These can be configured for conversational use cases such as customer support, information services, or other applications. For developers, ElevenLabs also provides API capabilities. The API can be used to connect voice generation and other supported features to your own applications and automated workflows. As you explore advanced features, always check your account limits, available credits, supported models, and usage requirements. Some tools may have different availability depending on your plan. The ElevenLabs interface and feature set can change over time,